Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Check this out. So unfortunately, any of the classic catalogs, you're not going to find these seats. You'll find bench seats, you'll find bucket seats, new upholstery for those, but you won't find those in the Wayback, and that's because it's just, I don't know why, honestly. I think they would make a lot if they did mass produce these, but they didn't, so I had to go to a local shop, upholstery shop. I bought some marine grade vinyl online and measured it out and made sure that, told him exactly what I wanted, so he pleated it and everything like that, and he's got the piping and all that. And I had him leave some extra material here, and I'm going to use that to attach the seat to the frame. And I'll show you what I'm going to do there, because I can't use hog rings anymore. These springs are gone and the frames are pretty bad. So I'm going to show you exactly how to attach these seats and finish up your project. We built these frames, okay, so that everything can get attached, the padding and the upholstery and everything, which will be on the front. On the back, what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the upholstery and we're going to staple it. And so I want to make sure that these do not tear the fabric. With sharp corners like this, it's possible that could happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a file and I'm going to round all of these corners off. Round everything off as much as I possibly can. I'm also going to sand and bevel this edge where the upholstery is going to meet, because I don't want any sharp corners damaging my upholstery. So I'm simply going to take a file and just start filing that down until I get it to where I want. So now you can see all the beveling that I did around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the board. I'm going to take my sander, and with like 60 grit, I'm going to bevel this. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it in gaff tape. It might be going too far, maybe it's not necessary, but I think if I wrapped this in a cloth tape, it would help the upholstery slide and it would be less apt to tear. So I'm just going to wrap it like this. Tuck in the edges like that. Boom. I'm going to do the corners too, but the corners, I'm just going to tear the gaff tape in half lengthwise, go around. I don't want to lose the holes that show where I'm going to attach those hangers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do those first before I staple. So all I'm going to do is stretch it, hold some pressure on it, find those points. Right there. Okay. Put these right here. I'm going to pull these one at a time, and I'm going to screw this hanger in over the upholstery. If I keep these holes exact, I know that it fits on the frame perfectly. I'll do that for all of them. Now I'm ready to staple.